Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to open a Facebook dating account. To get started, open the Facebook app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're in, go to the main screen where you see your news feed. At the bottom right of the screen, tap the menu button. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together. In the menu, scroll until you see the dating option. It's a pink and purple heart icon. Tap on it to begin setting up your Facebook dating profile. Facebook will reassure you that it won't notify your friends that you've joined Facebook dating. It also won't suggest your Facebook friends as potential matches. Once you're ready to proceed, tap Get Started. You'll now see privacy details and options. Facebook will inform you that your dating profile is separate from your main Facebook profile. Your dating activity won't be shared with your friends. If you prefer not to be suggested as a match to friends of friends, uncheck that option. Once you've reviewed the settings, tap Next. Next, Facebook will guide you to build your dating profile. It will use your first name, age, and gender as shown on your main Facebook account. If you want to make changes, you can adjust your dating profile without affecting your main Facebook profile. You'll also be prompted to select your dating preferences, such as who you're interested in dating and your location. Facebook will ask for your permission to use location services. This is to suggest matches near you. If you're traveling, Facebook Dating will update your location automatically to match people nearby. Your dating profile will show your general location, such as the city, but this won't affect your main Facebook profile. After this, you'll have the option to add more personal details like your height, whether you have children, your education level, and other information. These fields are optional, so if you'd prefer not to share certain details, simply skip those sections. Next, upload a profile picture. You can either use a photo from your main Facebook account or upload a different one. After selecting a picture, tap Next. Facebook will show you a preview of your profile with your name, age, and other details. Review everything carefully. If everything looks good, tap Confirm to complete the setup. Once your account is set up, you can customize your preferences further. Tap the gear icon at the top right of the dating screen. Here, you can adjust filters like distance, age range, height, gender identity, and language preferences. You can also update your profile picture and add more photos if you'd like. After setting up your profile, Facebook Dating will start showing you potential matches. To like someone, tap the heart icon. To pass, tap the X icon. Each time you make a choice, the app will show you the next profile. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.